Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. In the last lecture, we have solved quadratic equations by factorization method. Now today I am going to solve quadratic equations by using formula method. Exercise 2.4, question number 2. Solve the following quadratic equations by using formula method. By using this formula, x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Using this formula, we have to solve the quadratic equations. Now, question number 1. X square plus 6x plus 5 equal to 0. The given quadratic equation is already in standard form. Compare the given quadratic equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Compare this given quadratic equation with the standard form and write the values of a, b and c. Value of a, quadratic coefficient 1. Value of b, b is equal to 6. Compare the last term. Value of c is equal to 5. First, write the values of a, b, c comparing with the standard form. After writing the values of a, b, c, find the values of b square minus 4ac. Now, value of b is 6 square minus 4 into a is 1, into c is 5. Square of 6, 36 minus 4 ones are 4, 4 5s are 20. 36 minus 20 is equal to 16. So, this is the value of b square minus 4ac. After finding the value of b square minus 4ac, now write the formula x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now, substitute the values of b, a and b square minus 4ac in this formula. Therefore, x is equal to minus as it is. Value of b is 6 plus minus under root as it is. Now, we have already got the value of b square minus 4ac, which is 16. Write here 16. Value of b square minus 4ac is 16. So, write here 16 upon 2a. 2 into value of a is 1. Therefore, x is equal to minus 6 plus minus. Now, take the square root of 16, which is 4, because 16 is the square of 4. So, therefore, square root of 16 is 4 upon 2 ones are 2. Therefore, x is equal to, there are two values, write them separately. First one, x is equal to minus 6 plus 4 upon 2, or x is equal to minus 6 minus 4 upon 2. Minus 6 minus 4 upon 2. These are the two solutions. Therefore, x is equal to, as the signs are different, do the subtraction, give the sign of greater number, which is minus. Minus 6 plus 4 minus 2 upon 2. Therefore, x is equal to minus 6 minus 4. Signs are same, do the addition, give the same sign. Minus 6 minus 4 minus 10 upon 2. Now, divide. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to minus 5. In this way, minus 1, minus 5 are the roots of this quadratic equation. Now, question number 2. 3m square plus 2m minus 7 equal to 0. 3m square plus 2m minus 7 is equal to 0. This is the example number 2. Now, as the given quadratic equation is already in standard form, compare it with the standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Comparing, write the values of a, b and c. A is 3, therefore a is 3. Compare these two, b is 2. Now, c is minus 7. C is minus 7. First, write the values of a, b and c. After writing these values, find the value of b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac is equal to b square, 2 square, minus 4 into a is 3, into c is minus 7. Write it into bracket. Put the values of a, b, c. After putting the values, calculate. Square of 2, 4, minus into minus, plus 4 3s are 12 7s are 84, minus into minus, plus 4 into 3 into 7, 4 3s are 12 7s are 84, minus into minus, plus. Now 4 plus 8, 84, 88. 4 plus 84, 88. This is the value of b square minus 4ac. Now again write the formula for finding the value of x. X is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now put the values. Therefore x is equal to minus value of b 2 plus minus under root value of b square minus 4ac is 88. Put the value of b square minus 4ac is equal to 88 upon 2 into a is 3. Now therefore x is equal to minus 2 plus minus 88 is not a complete square number. So find the factors of 88 such that 1 should be a complete square number. 4 into 22. 22 4s are 88. So why? Because 4 is a complete square number. So make the factors of 88 such that 1 should be complete square number. So 88 should be written in this form, 4 into 22 upon 2 3s are 6. Therefore x is equal to minus 2 plus minus. Now take the square root of 4, which is 2, under root 22 upon 6. Therefore x is equal to minus 2 plus minus 2. So 2 we can take common. So take 2 common. We have taken 2 common. Minus 1 will remain. Plus minus as it is. 2 we have taken common. Root 22 will remain. Root 22 upon 6. What we have done? We have taken 2 common. So in the bracket minus 1 will remain. 2 plus minus as it is. 2 we have taken common. Under root 22 will remain. Upon 6. Now we can divide. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Therefore x is equal to minus 1 plus minus under root 22 upon 3. Now we got the solution of x. Write it separately. You will get 2 solutions. Therefore x is equal to minus 1 plus root 22 upon 3. Minus 1 plus root 22 upon 3. This is the first solution. And x is equal to minus 1 minus root 22. Minus 1 minus root 22 upon 3. So these 2 are the solution of this quadratic equation. In the last line, write the answer minus 1 plus root 22 by 3 minus 1 minus root 22 by 3 are the solution of this quadratic equation. Now next question, question number 4. 5m square minus 4m minus 2 is equal to 0. This is the fourth example. 5m square minus 4m minus 2 is equal to 0. Compare this given quadratic equation with the standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now comparing, write the values of a, b, c. So a is equal to 5u, b is equal to minus 4, write it along with the sign, c is equal to minus 2. We have written the values of a, b, c. Now find the value of b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac is equal to b. b is minus 4. Minus 4 bracket square, b square minus 4 into a is 5 into c, c is minus 2, c is minus 2. We have put the value of ABC. Now calculate minus 4 bracket square plus 16 minus into minus plus 4 5s are 20, 22s are 40 is equal to 16 plus 40, 56, 6 plus 0, 6, 4 plus 1, 5. This is the value of b square minus 4ac. After finding the value of b square minus 4ac, write the formula. X is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Therefore, x is equal to, put the values of b, a and b under root b square minus 4ac. So, x is equal to minus as it is, b is minus 4, write it into bracket. This is minus which is in the formula, value of b is minus 4, write it into bracket minus 4, plus minus, under root. Value of b square minus 4ac is 56, write here 56, upon 2a, 2 into a is 5, therefore x is equal to minus into minus plus 4 plus minus. Now find the factors of 56 out of which one should be a complete square number. 4 into 14, 14 4s are 56 because 4 is a complete square number, upon 5 2s are 10. Therefore, x is equal to 4 plus minus, take the square root of 4 first, which is 2, under root 14 will remain, upon 10. Next, again if you observe, we can take 2 common. So take 2 common, therefore x is equal to, take 2 common, 2 will remain, plus minus as it is, 2 we have taken common, root 14 will remain, upon 10. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Therefore x is equal to 2 plus minus under root 14 upon 5. Now write these two values separately, you will get the solutions of the given equation. Therefore x is equal to 2 plus root 14 upon 5, 2 plus root 14 upon 5, and second is 2 minus root 14, 2 minus root 14 upon 5. Write the answer, 2 plus root 14 upon 5 and x is equal to 2 minus root 14 upon 5 are the solutions of these quadratic equations.